Hello. My name is Dr. Dewan S. Raja. Today I will discuss about micropenis. This is the example of micropenis. Okay. So, micropenis is a very small penis, often hidden by the suprapubic fat pad. The penis is 2.5 standard deviations below the mean in length. Micropenis may be caused by fetal testicular dysfunction, lack of androgen or defective androgen receptors, primary hypogonadism, hypothalamic and anterior pituitary dysfunction. Any of these may cause micropenis. Okay, there may be more than one item may present in one person. And that's all for today. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Please share the information with your friends. Please support my channel. Please subscribe. Have a nice, wonderful and blessed day. Bye now.